Hello everyone, and welcome to our first lesson on Nearpod. Today we will be working on a math lesson. Since we have been working with addition, today we will continue to work on our addition problems. However, we will be using word problems to practice our addition. So since this is our first Nearpod lesson, I'm going to show you a little bit of how it works. So you will have these slide presentations that you can work on, and this is information for my parents to help your kiddos. Remember that I have included a Draw It background image on which they can practice their math, their addition in this case, and color, and this is for whenever they are finished with the lesson. And then I also have this pre-assessment question included in the Nearpod, and they will need to answer it as well. This is just to check their understanding before the lesson. And then I also have an exit question, which kind of measures their assessment after the lesson and prepares them for the following lesson to come. So let's begin. All right. So as I explained, we will be adding numbers up to 10. And we will be using pictures to complete the number sentences. So, our first image here shows us some apples, and I have specifically color-coded them to help you learn better. So, we have 1, 2, 3 red apples, and then we have 1 and 2 green apples. So what you're going to do is you're going to write the number of red apples here, and then you will write the number of green apples here. And that's the same thing you will do on this graphic to the right. So your red circle will contain the number of red apples, and your green circle will contain the number of green apples. Now, this helps you create these sentences. So if there are 3 red apples and there are 2 green apples, there are how many apples altogether? So these sentences will help you create your addition problem. So 3 plus 2 is 5. That's correct. And here's another example with some cats. So if there are blank gray cats and there are blank black cats, there are blank cats altogether. So how many cats do you see in this first image? 3, you're correct. And how many cats do you see in the second image? 1, 2, 3, 4. You said 4, that's also correct. Now, I want you to add all the cats together and tell me how many cats are there all together. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your answer is 7. That's perfect. Now, as you can see, I have included a variety of problems that you can choose from to work through, prepare for tomorrow's lesson. If you are struggling, please do not hesitate to contact me, and I will do my best to help you. Also, remember to write any questions and bring them to class. as we will work on these problems together. And remember to complete the exit question. See you tomorrow.